Okay, today we're going to show you how to quickly and simply maintain your hot tub. The simple procedures we're going to show you today will work with almost any hot tub, including the large hot tubs and the inflatable hot tubs from companies like Intex. Okay, let's get right to this. The first thing you want to do is test your hot tub to see what the levels are in there. You can do this in two different ways. One is by dipping a test strip into the hot tub and then matching it up to a color chart. The other way is to use an electronic tester like you see here, which basically just reads out the levels for you. We'll put a link to this checker down in our description box if you want to check that out. Whichever method you choose, it will come down to three numbers here: a chlorine, alkalinity, and a pH. If all your numbers are within this range, your hot tub is in great shape and you're set to go. If your chlorine is too low, the simplest way to correct that is basically add some chlorine granules. I'll put a link down in the description box so you can see what that looks like. And basically you just sprinkle it into the hot tub and then you just turn on the jets for about 3 minutes or so to mix it all up. Now, if your pH and alkalinity are too low, now you can buy a product out there called Spa Up or Alkalinity Up that'll raise those levels. However, the only ingredient in those products is sodium bicarbonate, which is actually baking soda. So you can save yourself some money and time by just purchasing baking soda and putting in 1 tablespoon per 100 gallons of hot tub water.